MPC 011 Gist of each chapter. 1. A brief history of psychopathology. Introduction. This chapter delves into the origins and evolution of psychopathology, examining ancient beliefs, biological models, and key contributions from historical figures like Hippocrates and Galen. Key sections. Ancient supernatural beliefs. Witchcraft and demonology. Biological models and their development through the 19th century. Influential theories and models in understanding mental disorders. 2. Classification of psychopathology, DSM-4-TR. Introduction discusses the purpose and methods of classifying mental disorders, focusing on the DSM-4-TR and its historical development. Key sections. Meaning and purpose of classification. History of classification systems. Development and revisions of DSM. Multi-axial classifications. Evaluation of DSM-4-TR. 3. Developmental pathogenesis. Introduction explores risk factors and causes of developmental psychopathologies, covering biological, psychosocial, and sociocultural influences. Key sections. Risk factors and genetic vulnerabilities. Neuroendocrine system and physical handicaps. Parental and sociocultural influences. Societal roles and social change. 4. Anxiety disorders, panic, and phobias. Details the nature, symptoms, and treatment of anxiety. Introduction details the nature, symptoms, and treatment of anxiety disorders, including panic attacks and various phobias. Key sections. Symptoms and clinical features of panic attacks and phobias. Epidemiology and etiology of panic disorders. Treatment approaches for anxiety disorders and phobias. 5. Childhood mental disorders. Introduction focuses on mental disorders that typically manifest in childhood, such as ADHD, autism, and conduct disorders. Key sections. Diagnostic features and epidemiology. Causes and treatment options. Comparison with other childhood behavioral disorders. 6. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Introduction examines the symptoms, causes, and treatment of PTSD, including its impact on children and adults. Key sections. Clinical features and situations triggering PTSD. Biological, psychological, and sociocultural factors. Prevention and treatment strategies. 7. Personality disorders. Introduction discusses various personality disorders, including dependent and histrionic personality disorders. Key sections. Diagnostic features and causes. Treatment methods such as cognitive behavior therapy, group therapy, and family therapy. Prognosis of personality disorders. This summary provides an overview of each chapter in the MPC 011 textbook, highlighting the main themes and sections covered.